All right, so we might be 17 days away from the first day of spring, but the first significant March snowstorm will be hitting western Massachusetts later tonight. 22 News reporter Mike Mascadrelli found out how local residents prepared for yet another snowstorm.
Spring is less than 3 weeks away, but it seems like winter is far from over. A major snowstorm is expected to roll through western Massachusetts Sunday night through Monday morning. It has some people feeling anxious, but one Agawam resident told 22 News he's come to expect snow in March.
I've never been a big fan of the snow, but I mean it's coming later and later every year, so I've gotten accustomed to it, so late storms don't really bother me as much.
Sunday was a day of preparation for many western Massachusetts residents. Some people went to local gas stations to fill up their gas tanks to ensure they could get to where they need to be on Monday. Grocery stores were also busy Sunday with people stocking up on food ahead of the snowstorm. Some residents are hoping the storm will give them a day off from work.
It could potentially be closed, so that'd be nice for us, like a little kid back in school.
Agawam and other western Massachusetts communities could see several inches of snow by the end of Monday morning. You can find a list of school closings and delays on our website, wwlp.com. In Agawam, Mike Mascadrelli, 22 News.